everybody, it's Nadira Nazir from TAG TV. I am here today at the Galaxy Banquet Hall to raise money and awareness for ICAL. ICAL is an organization that was founded 30 years ago, and today it has supported and helped over 75,000 villagers. Yes, 75,000 villagers by educating children. And let's talk to some of our guests today. We have amazing guests that's in attendance. We have some local MPPs, MPs, and other individuals that has been here coming on a regular basis to support them. So let's go and talk to them and see what they have to say.
मैं एकल विद्यालय फाउंडेशन ऑफ कनाडा का प्रेसिडेंट हूँ. Today's function is our international conference. It's being held for the first time in Canada. Normally this conference is held in US. The purpose of this conference is to create awareness among the public at large. It's, as a matter of fact, 3-day conference. The conference is to have our board meetings, to make policy decisions, something like that. But this time we thought that we should devote one evening to the public, to invite our donors, to invite our supporters, and also create awareness among the people at large. So we are hoping that we can create awareness about the condition of the children in the remote areas and tribal areas of India. We are very thankful to TAG TV for coming and covering this program. Thank you very much.
मेरा नाम दीपक आनंद है. मैं MPP हूँ जी मिसिसागा मॉल्टन से, और आज हम लोग यहाँ एकल विद्यालय के इवेंट पे आए हैं. और जितनी प्रशंसा की जाए उतनी कम है. 75,000 से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स, 75,000 से ज़्यादा स्कूल, 2 million students. So I think education today in the 21st century is a basic need, and what is being done by Ekal Vidyalaya, absolutely salute to these guys. So, and again, thank you TAG TV for covering for every event and making sure that the great information is gathered, not only gathered, but spread with your wings. Thank you so much.
Good evening, my name is Nina Tangri and I'm the Mississauga Streetsville Member of Provincial Parliament. We're here tonight at the Ekal Vidyalaya event, the gala event, where they appreciate all the wonderful sponsors from around the world who support this great cause, so that children all over India in very, very rural areas are able to get an education. It's so important that every child has that opportunity, and an opportunity to have a good education and to go out into the world and help their own communities and bring back to their communities what they've learned. And I'm really excited for today's event, and I just wanted to thank all the organizers of all the great work they've done. And people have come here from all over the world, and it just shows what a great cause this is, and how we want to make sure that every child has a chance to have a good education.
Hello, I'm Kamini Singh. I'm one of the volunteers for Ekal Foundation. Today Ekal Foundation is having their gala annual event, which is a big event wherein they are trying to reach out to people as the maximum. People from India, from delegates from India, delegates from USA who are associated with Ekal Foundation has come here. It's a big event wherein we are trying to reach out to people, and I would say that Ekal Foundation is doing a great job by helping children to get education, which is their basic necessity. So I would request people to come join us and give back to community in a best possible way. Thank you.
I am here with Natalia Kusendova, MPP of Mississauga Centre. Natalia, what are your thoughts about the event?
Well, hello, and thank you so much for having me. I'm so impressed with the organization of this event and the goal of the event. Education is such a tool that we need to spread throughout the world to those who are less fortunate than us. So fundraising for schools and to bring education to other countries, I think it's such a noble goal, and it's so important.
And I know they have some wonderful volunteers here in Canada. There was representations from US as well as India. And what is your message to them to continue their success?
Well, I think it's just to keep on going and never giving up. Sometimes when you have a great team and you can really propagate a wonderful idea, and when people see how inspired you are and how you can really affect positive change in the world, they sign up to that idea. I had that a little bit in my campaign where people really wanted a change, and this is a similar thing. We want to bring change, positive change to the world, and that's why it's so important to have a team which is even global from different countries to sign up to this idea and help.
Perfect. Natalia, thank you so much. I'm here today with Rob Oliphant, MP for Don Valley West. Thank you so much for your time, Rob. What are your thoughts about the event today?
I'm here very much in gratitude and in really support for Canadians who want to help the project that ACAL has in taking education. And I love the idea that if a child can't get to education, then education should get to the child. And so by building one teacher schools, making sure that the remote communities which are torn apart sometimes by extremists, are able to get education. If we can help that in Canada, I'm very pleased to do that.
So what is your message for our viewers today? What is their call for action? What should they be doing?
I think the reality is first we learn. And we recognize how grateful and how successful we are and how bountiful Canada is, and that we have resources to share. We share people resources, but we can also share financial resources. And today I think I challenge Canadians to step up and find $500 to start one school so that they can meet their agenda of 100,000 schools serving the rural and poorest parts of India.
And I believe that's $500 is a yearly cost.
A $500 yearly cost.
So that turns out to be $1.37 a day?
About that. That's
So you
not
just-
very much. That's not even a Starbucks coffee.
No, it's not even a Tim Hortons coffee. I don't.
Even a Tim Hortons coffee, absolutely. It's 2 samosas.
Oh, 2 samosas. Just sacrifice 2 samosas. Rob, I am here with Aspi Wadiwala. Aspi, what do you think of the event tonight?
Oh, the event is wonderful. The Ekal Vidyalaya is doing a great job, not only in Canada, but internationally and globally for the children, for the women, and for all social causes. And I would like to congratulate all the organizers and everybody for hosting this event in Canada. We are truly proud of them, and we are proud of our homeland, Canada. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you so much for your time. Appreciate it. I am here right now with Sharif Sabawi, MPP of Mississauga, Erin Mills. Sharif, what do you think of the event?
The event is great. I'm impressed with the amount of organizing and the volunteers and the food and everything.
Excellent. And have you heard of Ekal before? And I know they've been around for 30 years. What is your message to them?
Well, you know what? Like if I had the time, I was going to speak up about the stuff. Like it's a very well-known problem to get donations. Like people are donating left, right, and middle. Canada is a very generous. Canadians are very generous community who give all the time for different purposes and reasons. And I mean, for that specific purpose, you might be interested. Like the people who will be interested are the Indian origin Canadians, the Sapura Indians, and I think that's part of their duty towards their country. Like very similar to my duty towards my home country is to try to help where I can help. Just to return the favor this country rose me up, and I had my education, I had my basic needs until I become successful, and then I left and come to Canada. So I think that's payback. It's a part of payback. Of course, we pay back for the Canadian, for the Canada who hosted us and become our home country. But in the same time, we have an obligation towards our people, our homeland people who might really be in bad need for our support and help.
And I think it's a great cause too, because what they're trying to do is educate the children, educate the kids, and that's how you change the cycle to give them a better chance, right?
Yes, and I touched base on this in my speech, and I said, like, when I used to travel across in San Jose, the Silicon Valley, because I'm an IT professor, so I'm really in education and in technology. I met a lot of engineers who are from Bangalore, from India, and I think education. All of them are already committed to help and do knowledge transfer to India and mentoring Indians, young students and stuff to get them to speed in technology. So I'm saying that this is exactly the same thing. We need education to get more people to be able to help more people, like those people when they get successful, when they get in a good places and in a good level of income and finances, he can help other people. So it's a good, starting a good cycle. It's a snowball effect.
Well, thank you so much for your time, Sharif. Appreciate it.
I'm Bajrang Bagda. I'm global CEO of Ekal Vidyalaya movement. I'm from India. And this is an event which has been organized by Ekal Vidyalaya Foundation of Canada as an international conference covering most of the chapters from America, and also the volunteers from India are here. Ekal movement is a movement of the volunteers to galvanize the rural and the tribal communities in India through intervention of education, health and hygiene, skill development, and the empowerment. And the support comes from the Indian diaspora world over, and the key supporters are in North America. USA is our big supporter, and the foundation in Canada has been here for last almost 2 decades. So ECAL America holds this annual conference somewhere in America, US, but first time it is being organized in Toronto, Canada, with an objective that the Canada team also get galvanized, and we are happy to be here, and that all the ECAL volunteers in Canada, they all are welcoming and then hosting to the volunteers from all over world, mainly from India and USA. And the Indian diaspora in Toronto and the other chapters in Canada like Calgary, like British Columbia, they all are here, and they have been participating for last 3 days here, and discussing about how we can grow, how the Indian community and the diaspora can be approached, and they may be made aware of the ECAL activities there in India, and this is what we have been discussing for last 3 days. Thank you.
What a great event it was tonight for ECAL Awareness Gala. We've had some really great initiative that's been shared with us today, and also the youth initiative that's been shared with us today. Thank you for joining me. Nadira Nazir, TAC TV, Mississauga.